In today's video, I'll be showing you how to empty tanks, change nozzles, and also how to cast miniatures. Let's start with emptying tanks. I'll click Control, Empty Tanks, and we're going to empty tank A first. I'll hold it over our bucket. Now we'll do it for the B side. That's how easy it is to empty tanks. We use industry-known nozzles. These are off the shelf and they're interchangeable. We also have nozzle settings on the device, so whenever you change your nozzle, you'll just choose whatever you've changed to. These are all the nozzle settings you have. So this is your injection handle, and the nozzle will just fit in place like this, and then we can screw it on. And now you'll assemble the nozzle handle into the adapter plate. We'll secure the plate with 3 screws. And now you're ready to inject, and you can even change the nozzles with everything attached. You can just unscrew the top and then take it out and put a new nozzle back in. Let me show you what happens when you leave the nozzle on and the resin sets inside. Let's fill the tanks back up and cast some miniatures. We have these skull molds, and then we also have this D&D prop silicone mold. So let's cast some miniatures. Let's see how they turned out. Oh yeah. And that's how easy it is to make miniatures using our machines. We started production for our Kickstarter backers. We've made the machine 25% smaller. We want to say thank you to all of you guys who have supported us this far. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.